Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through setting up multi-factor authentication for secure access to MEDSIS. You can pause after each step to follow along. If you have not done so already, the first step will be downloading the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play on your work or personal cell phone. Make sure it's the official Microsoft app using the image on the slide. Start by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app on your smartphone. If this is your first time using the app, you'll see a welcome screen. Otherwise, you'll see your existing accounts. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner of the app. This will start the process to add a new account. Select Work or School Account from the options. This ensures you're connecting to the ADHS secure system. Next, you will tap Sign In. When prompted, enter your MEDSIS username. You will use this format, username at hs.azdhs.gov. Important: do not use your company email address. Always use your MEDSIS username. This will be the ADHS username. Then click Next. Type in your MEDSIS password. If you're unsure of your password, do not use the Forgot My Password link in the app. If you have set up your verification methods in the ADHS password portal, password.azdhs.gov, you can reset your password there. Otherwise, please contact the MEDSIS help desk. After signing in, you should see a success message indicating your account has been added to the Authenticator app. Switching over to your computer, add the URL on screen into your browser. Click Login. Enter your health services account credentials, username at hs.azdhs.gov, and your password. This step is when you combine your MEDSIS account with the Authenticator. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your smartphone and select the Scan QR code icon in the bottom right corner. You will then point your phone's camera at the code to scan. After you scan the code and set everything up, you will be prompted to enter the code from the app into the computer, then click Next. Here is an example of the code. Be quick, they are on a timer. Click Next. You're logged in to MEDSIS successfully when you see your initials in the top right corner. Congratulations! You've set up multi-factor authentication for MEDSIS. Your account is now more secure.